I'm Savannah. So today we're gonna be making a wonderfully tasty recipe that is inspired by the TikTok trending recipe of whipped coffee. However, let's shake it up a little bit and we are going to be making whipped chocolate milk. Yes, you heard that right. We're gonna have chocolate that is whipped in milk. It's gonna be pretty good. It's pretty good. Just say, it's pretty good. This is the perfect sort of recipe to make at home. It's gonna be my new go-to recipe for sure. So I whipped it up in the kitchen and voila, I will show you what I've created and I hope that you like it as much as I have. So if you want to see it, keep watching. Let's roll. So to begin, here is our ingredients list. Feel free to pause the video here and take a screenshot of this list. And here's all the ingredients nice and lined out. Now with the milks, I set out 2 just to show that you can use basically whatever type of milk you want. Almond, soy, oat, 1%, 2%, whatever your heart desires. It'll all turn out swell. In terms of kitchen utensils, you're gonna need a cup, a bowl of sorts for mixing, a whisk, hand or electric will work, and some measuring cups. There seems to be a struggle keeping these together in my house. I'm not sure why, but I kept finding more separate ones. Good, now they're together. Okay, in the bowl, you're gonna need your hot cocoa mix, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Now for the sugar, 2 tablespoons. Again, 1, 2. Add in 1 tablespoon of the coffee creamer. Now throw in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/8 a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now this part you can give or take, but I did about 6 shakes of the ground cinnamon for a little spice. Okay, now you might be saying, Savannah, this doesn't really look that appetizing. Just wait, we'll get there. Okay, mixing time. I would go ahead and mix this till it's kind of bubbly and till it seems thicker. Since mine kind of splashed up on the side of the bowl, I used our nice little Harry Potter Gryffindor spatula to get it off the sides and then continued mixing just so I could get all of it in there. Here, I'm adding in my 2nd tablespoon of creamer. This you could add in earlier, but I decided to add it in later once I had already started mixing. The coffee creamer helped thicken this up. As you can see, it's starting to come together. Next step is to get your cup, add some ice. Time to pour your milk into your cup of ice. I poured probably around like a cup and a half, or until like 3/4 of my glass was full. And then I spilled, because with me, it's inevitable. Now for my favorite part, the chocolate mixture is making its arrival into the glass. This is sped up. It took a while to actually get out of the bowl, but isn't it glorious? Whipped cream. This is definitely optional, but it does add a little something extra. Last but certainly not least, the piece de resistance, the chocolate sprinkles. And there you have it, folks. Whipped chocolate milk. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Here it is. Take a look. Guys, this is spectacular. This is my new favorite drink ever. It is so good. #1 winner, like from heaven. It is a divine gift to us. It is so good. This is incredible. This is so So good. I'm getting called for dinner right now, but I'm gonna let you go. Guys, highly recommend. Amazing drink. Whipped chocolate milk. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Okay, bye. No, you're kidding. Whoops, my bad. I am gonna cry right now. I went to pick it up to bring it inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna cry. No, I'm not. Because this is a great excuse to make another one. And I saved some. See? A little bit of it. It's okay. What a mess. I'm literally such a clutch. Oh, such a clutch. Yeah, I'm at first. I'm literally such... I can't talk today. I'm literally such a klutz. This happens to me all the time. Like, I don't know why. I just can't, like, not spill things. I fall over. Okay, something to work on. Okay, anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed making it. I absolutely love this recipe. Comment down below if you try it, and if you liked it, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. By sending good vibes across the world and warm wishes, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Okay, bye guys.